Hello my dear audience, let's begin with Vinastasia. Jumpa lagi dengan Vinastasia. How are you all? Apa kabar semua? I hope all of you in good health. Saya kamu semuanya dalam keadaan sehat saja. Okay, same as me here. Okay. Oh yeah, in this video, I would love to show you that I just I check my farming, okay, in my big house. Okay. This is the egg. Ms. BrownSip egg. Okay. Lah, this one you see it two color, right? It's a bit light brown and white one. Okay, the thing I want to tell you all is actually this one is different. Okay, this one is normal egg. Okay, I would love to say this one is mature egg. Okay, is perfect. Okay, perfect normal egg. Okay, normal. But this one is premature. Okay, premature egg. Okay, see, it's elastic here, okay, huh? Okay, it's elastic here, it's elastic here, okay, it's elastic here, it's very nice, right? Premature egg, it's like the kid, it's premature baby, okay, this one is unique, because this one is the first time I saw this one, okay, my dear audience, whatever this one is the product of Ms.BrownSip. Okay, see you all in my next video.